Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can merge cards in your Trello board really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. Now guys, it is actually no rocket science. It may sound a bit complicated merging two or more cards here on Trello, but believe me, it is actually very simple. So what you want to do is head over to your board here or on Trello. So let me go with that board here from that workspace for the sake of this tutorial. After that, you will see all lists listed here to the right with the associated cards. So just for the sake of this tutorial, I would like to, let's say, merge these two cards here. This is how you can do it, guys. Click on the first card here, and after that you will be redirected to the card settings. So what you want to do here inside that card settings is click on attachment here to the right, and after that, that window will pop up for you. So what you want to do is pay attention to this box here, search or paste a link, but instead of pasting a URL, for example, simply type in, let's say, the name, or it will suffice if you, for example, enter the first letters of the card content. For example, you see, for example, here, your cards here, or you can, for example, type in, let's say, something like I in capital letters, and then you will see, for example, a list of results below. So let me go, for example, with that one here, with that card, simply click on it, and that is going to add the given card as an attachment to this card. However, guys, that's not a merge yet. To merge or to connect both cards, click on these three dots below that card, and instead of deleting it, click on Connect Cards and confirm that by clicking on Relate both cards below, and that is going to merge both cards. And that's basically it. That's how you merge cards on Trello and your Trello boards. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.